is slowing down a little. Come back! I don't see rain on here. I can see it when I look at the ground.
You'll see it on a bigger screen.
Stop! You're pushing me into the rain.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Stop it.
I'm not doing anything.
Simon!
What?
Stop! I'm serious. You're rude. No, yeah, you are. Okay. I'm going back in. Focus. Yeah. Camera's nice and unfocused. What? Let's try that. Huh? There we go. What a mess. What's wrong, man? I'm bored. Let's do something.
What?
Let's do something. I'm bored.
Like what?
Oh.
I don't know either. Don't film me.
It's not. It's filming my neck down. Hey! What are you doing?
Stop filming me.
Well, then think of something to do. Because this is the only thing I can do. I'm bored.
Just stop filming me.